Hi! In the last video, we saw what MTF is and why traders use it. In this one, let's break down how to actually use MTF on Angel One. We'll cover how to place MTF orders, track them, or exit your position step by step. Let's start with how to place an MTF order. Step 1. Placing an MTF order. Choose the stock you want to buy. On the order pad, tick the MTF option, check the margin required, and fund the rest with MTF. Then enter your quantity and price and place your order as usual. Your MTF position is now active. Here's the key. Angel One funds the remaining amount up to the allowed leverage, usually 4x. The app shows the maximum leverage for each stock, letting you know upfront how much Angel One can contribute to your trade. Now step 2. Tracking MTF positions. Once your MTF order is placed, you'll probably want to check your positions, interest accrued, and borrowing details. So let's quickly look at all the places where MTF shows up on the Angel One app. First entry point, Account MTF. Go to the Account section and tap on MTF. Here you'll see 3 tabs: Explore, Watch List, and Borrowings. This is where you'll find every share you have bought using MTF. Second entry point, Stock Homepage. On Stock's homepage, you'll find the MTF widget. Tapping it takes you to the same MTF view with Explore, Watch List, and Borrowings. Third entry point, Order Pad. When you're placing an order, you'll see MTF right beside delivery and intraday. On the order pad, you can see if MTF is available and the maximum leverage allowed for that stock. Using the first 2 entry points, you can easily track your MTF borrowings, see all open positions, and the daily interest accruing. If you want to check the daily interest accrued, just tap on interest to be paid. Step 3. Understanding charges. Now let's quickly break down the charges for MTF, so you know what you're looking at. Interest charged is 0.041% per day on the borrowed amount. Borrowed amount is equal to total purchase value minus the cash you paid. Brokerage is a regular brokerage if you buy any stock irrespective of MTF, which is 0.1% or ₹20, whichever comes out lower for your trade. And just so you know, there's a minimum ₹5 brokerage in case 0.1% turns out to be even less. If your pledged shares fall below the required margin, Angel One may auto-pledge or sell them to cover the shortfall. And for any pledge or unpledged request, the charge is ₹20 plus GST per script. All of these are visible on the app, so you can see exactly what you're paying. Step 4. Exiting MTF positions. There are 2 main ways to exit your MTF positions. Just like normal shares, you can sell your MTF holdings anytime. Proceeds will first go toward repaying the borrowed amount and interest. Second, convert to delivery. If you want to keep the shares long term, you can convert your MTF position to delivery shares. For this, you'll pay the full purchase value of the shares. Once paid, your MTF shares become regular delivery shares in your account. So, selling is quick if you just want to exit. And CTD is for holding the shares beyond the intraday or MTF period. And before we wrap up, here are a few quick updates that make MTF much easier to use. First, the MTF ledger now shows all your MTF transactions, that is buys, sells, CTD, margin, and collateral all in one place. Your statements are also split into 2 sheets for easy tracking. Second, you can now convert your MTF positions to delivery using your existing ledger balance. No need to add fresh funds, just use what's already there. And lastly, you'll now find MTF top picks inside the app. Short-term ideas from the research team with entry, essence, targets, and the logic behind the call, so you can explore leveraged trades more confidently. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about using MTF on Angel One. And remember, at the end of the day, MTF is simply a tool that gives you a boost. Use it when it works for your strategy. Stay aware of the leverage you're taking and manage your positions responsibly. So, ready to take bigger positions with less cash? Explore MTF on Angel One.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.